Irrigation heads, namely pop-up heads for sprinkler system for the residential use for lawns, etc., some commercial applications. Primarily, there are two different types of heads. There are many different types of heads, but in use there are this head here, which is a pop-up head, and then there's a oscillating head. The oscillating head goes from like 0 to 360 degrees, or 0 to 90, 0 to 180, whatever setting one adjusts the head to. These heads here are adjustable with the nozzle on top. These are the pop-up heads. Say if one pulls into the driveway and there's a 2 to 3 foot strip down the, or a 4 foot strip of grass, and one wants to do this, the oscillating heads would throw the water too far of a distance and miss some of the yard underneath. Hence, the pop-up head is used in this application. So the question here is, when installing these pop-up heads, how far apart should I put each head? Again, reiterate, when installing these heads, how far apart should I put these heads? That is relative. For instance, this is a 6-foot head. So the 6-foot head is, the 6-foot head goes out 6 feet, etc. So personally, my opinion is I would take a head of this magnitude, and one can elaborate, the irrigation experts. I'm not certain on this, but if it's 6 foot, does it go 3 this way? Does it go 3 this way? And it's 6 this way? I feel confident it goes 6 feet this way. But if it goes 3 here, you've got 3 feet out here. So then your next head would be 3 feet. So space these about 5 to 6 feet apart. Now, my opinion is I like these to look pretty. It's one of my pet peeves when I come to an irrigation system and I see the head set up in a haphazard way. So the actual lawn gets watered, but the sprinkler system kind of looks like because the heads are not laid out where they look. So use uniformity, in my opinion, when installing these heads. Say if one's 5 feet apart, 5 feet. Now on the end, sometimes you do what you do, but try to keep them spaced equally or somewhat within a foot plus or minus, so that when the sprinkler system comes on, it also waters the yard, but it also looks pretty too, and it looks organized, as opposed to just one head here, another head slapped over here, a pop-up head here, an oscillating head here. So try to space them equally apart. So if this is a 6-foot head, if it's going to throw 3 here, you've got another one 3. So I would put these, I would err on the safe side and put them about 5 feet apart, so they would overlap. And the wind will blow the water and water underneath as well sometimes and help you out. But just keep your heads spaced equally apart. Thank you and have a great day.